The National Weather Service in Missoula has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Idaho County and central Idaho until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:52 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 11 miles south of Grangeville and was moving north at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Clearwater, East Kamei, Bend, Glenwood, Grangenville, Harpster, Koolsky, Stites, String, and Winona. Large hail is likely with the severe thunderstorm. Damaging winds are possible, along with frequent lightning and heavy rain. For your protection, go indoors and stay away from windows. If you are caught outside, move to a well-protected area. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county, Idaho. Severe thunderstorm watch number 352 remains in effect until